to introduce you the next exercise 7.2. For exam point of view, this exercise is more important compared to first one. The title is Integration by Substitution. Okay, so here we will learn one more technique to solve it. The one method in 7.1 is only to direct apply formula. Here, before we apply formula, we have to do little bit manipulation. Okay, so let's see. There is a set of 4 formulas that you should know, guys. Tan x dx. Integration of tan x is log of sec x plus c. In some books, they have also used minus of log of cos x plus c. Both are correct. I will mostly use this. Second formula is integration cot of x dx. So remember, guys, its integration is log of sin x plus c, or there is one more formula which is minus of log of cosec x plus c. Third formula says integration of sec x dx. The integration of sec x dx is log of sec x plus tan x plus c. Very important formula. And last formula for this exercise is integration of cosec x dx is log of cosec x minus cot x plus c. Please remember these formulas for this exercise, not only for this, in the coming exercise. 10 formulas previous and 4 more. Okay. So I will explain you, taking one example, what is the meaning of integration by substitution. So let's take first example from your book to explain what is the meaning. So they have given example 5, which you can find on page number 300. Integration of sine of mx dx. Okay. So whenever you find something like this, let us assume mx is t. This is just assumption. Okay, I will it will be more clear with the next example, the method of substitution. So just hang on. So mx dx is t. So can I differentiate both sides? Write down differentiate both sides. Whatever we assume, second step is differentiate. So it will be m dx is dt, m as it is, and derivative of x with respect to t will be dx by dt, and I am writing only dx here and dt other side. So can I write dx is dt by m? Understood? M is going other side. Correct? So let me write down sine mx. I am taking t, so it will be sine of t. And what is dx? Dx has been replaced by dt by m. M is a kind of constant which I can easily take outside. So 1 by m integration of sine t dt. Okay, this is pretty close to the, not close, exactly same thing that we have learned. Formula sin x dx integration is minus cos x plus c. So I will apply it directly. Okay, this is variable t and integration with respect to dt. So let me write down the formula is sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. This is the formula. So using this formula, my answer will be 1 by m into minus of cos t plus c. But we have to put t back. What was t? T was our assumption. This was t. T was our assumption. So it is 1 by m minus cos of mx plus c. So this is my final answer. I hope you understood. It will be more clear with one more example. So let's see here. Let's take second example, guys. They have given 2x sine x square plus 1 dx. So how to see, this is not even close to any formula that we know. Okay, so substitution mein you have to find something whose derivative is present in the question. So what is the step? Find something in the question itself. Okay, something whose derivative is present in question itself. So this is very powerful statement. You have to find, that is the only aim in this chapter, in this exercise. Okay, so you see this is 2x, this is sine, this is x square plus 1. So you have to look for something whose derivative is present. So if I take something sine, sine's derivative is cos, cos is not present here. If I take x, if I choose x, x derivative is 1, alone 1 is not there. If I choose, see, if I choose x square plus 1 as t, then its derivative is 2x, which is present in the question. So whatever you find whose derivative is present only, that only becomes your t. And this only process is called substitution. This process is called substitution. What you have done is, you have substituted x square plus 1 by t. Now the step is differentiate both side. Okay, so both side, what will you get? Here 2x dx, because derivative for 1 is 0, is equal to dt. So I got 2x dx and dt, which is present in the question. Okay, now rearrange the question to bring 2x with dx. Okay, so let me write down sine x square plus 1 2x dx, just rearrangement. And this is nothing but dt, and this is nothing but t, what we have assumed. Okay, so let me write down, this is sine of t, okay, because I have assumed t, and this is nothing but dt. And now it's easy to integrate. What is integration of sine t? It is nothing but minus of cos t plus c. And what is t? That I can write in the end, which is x square plus 1 plus c. So this is my final answer. Okay, let's do more questions. Third part says, of the same example, integration of 10 raised to power 4 root x sec square root x by root x dx. Okay guys, this seems to be extremely tedious question. There are 3 terms, see, tan, sec square and root x. I have to choose something whose derivative is present. So if I take tan, so sec square is present, derivative is present. If I take sec, its derivative is not present. Okay, even root x, see, if you remember, d by dx of tan x is nothing but sec square x. And do you remember d by dx of root x? This you have to memorize, is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, this is derivative, which is also present here. Only 2 is not there, so 2 does not matter. We can multiply and divide according to our choice, right? Number is not a problem. So let me try. Let us assume, we are just assuming for a while, that tan of root x is t, and differentiate both sides. What will I get? Sec square root x by chain rule. How do we differentiate by chain rule? First function we differentiate, which is sec square root x, and then into we differentiate second one. So derivative of second one is root 2x into dx is equal to dt. ओके, तो डेरिवेटिव आई एम डूइंग यूजिंग चेन रूल. फर्स्ट फंक्शन का sec स्क्वायर एंड रूट एक्स का डेरिवेटिव 1/2 रूट एक्स. यू हैव टू लर्न डेरिवेटिव्स केयरफुली गाइस. ओके, now you see this and this are there, this and this, only 2 is not there, so let me send to other side. So can I write sec square root x by root x dx is equal to 2 dt? Yes or no? Right? So this is nothing, this whole thing is nothing but is present there in the question. This entire thing I can replace by 2 dt, and this I can replace by t. See here, what I can do, this I can replace by t raised to power 4, and this entire thing, this whole thing you can see is twice of dt. Understood? Now let me see what can I do. Can I write 2 in front? It does not matter, right? Let me write 2 t raised to power 4 dt. And what is integration of this? Can I apply? Yeah, tell me, what can I apply? N formula, t raised to power 5 by 5 plus c. Okay, now t kya tha? T jo bhi tha, that I am supposed to put back because I can't give answer in t. So 2 by 5, and what is t? Tan of root x power 5 plus c. That's it. I got my answer. Okay. Let's do one more question based on substitution. It's fun, guys. You will start loving it after a while. Trust me. This is integration of sine tan inverse x dx by 1 plus x square. It's fun to find out a function whose derivative is present in the question itself. Understood what we have to do? Well, let me write down what we have to do. Find, this is my point, find a term whose derivative is present in question itself. Okay, this is my aim. This is my aim. So don't you think, what is the derivative of sine if I select sine? Cos is not there. If I select tan inverse, what is derivative of tan inverse? Is of course 1 by 1 plus x square. So yeah, I found it. See, d by dx of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square, if you remember. Right, so I'm gonna use it. Yeah. So let me write, let tan inverse x is t. And now differentiate both sides. So I will get 1 by x square, that the derivative of tan inverse dx is dt. So don't you think this is present in the question, this part? So this entire thing I can replace by dt, and this tan inverse I can replace by t. So this is called substitution. Okay, so what I am doing is sine of t, I have replaced tan inverse by t, and this entire thing became dt. ठीक है. Now what is the integration of sin t, guys? ये तो पता ही होगा, I think. It is minus of cos t plus c. And what is t? Because I can't write answer in t. T was this. So let me put it here. So my answer will be minus of cos tan inverse x plus c. I hope you understood. This was the question and this is the answer. You understood the substitution method, guys? It is fun to find out a function whose derivative is present in the question itself. Let's do example number 6, which is given in your book. Example 6. They say integration of sine cube x cos square x dx. Very important question, guys. Okay, so whenever you have a combination of sine and cos, so there is a trick. Either you convert everything into sine, keep one cos free, or you convert everything into cos, keep one sine free. Understood? What is the trick? Trick क्या है आपकी? First case, convert all into cos and keep one sin x. I will tell you why. Or convert all into cos, sin, and keep one cos. जो भी आपको easy लगे, इन दोनों में से जो भी आपको लगे easy to convert, that you do. See, if I convert cos square into sin square, which is pretty simple, and this is already there, ठीक है? तो let me try. I know cos square x plus sin square x 1. So can I write cos square x is 1 minus sin square x? Pretty simple to convert into sin. So I am able to convert everything into sin. Correct. This was already sin. So let me write down sin cube x 1 minus sin square x dx. Okay. Now they told us to keep one cos. If I convert everything into sin, keep one cos safe. I am in trouble. From where I should bring now cos? That is the problem. Okay. So that means this will not work. You can try this in exam. So let me try other way around. Let me do one thing. Sin. So this will not work, right? Sin cube, can I write sin x into sin square x into cos square x dx. So let me keep one sin as it is and convert everything into cos. The cos is already there. Let me convert this. Okay. So sin x as it is, and this 1 minus cos square x cos x dx. Cos square. Now because everything is in cos and whose derivative is present? Can you see the logic here? So let me assume, let cos x is t. So if this is cos x, so what will be the derivative? Minus of sin x dx is dt. So sin x dx is present, only minus is not there. So it's okay, we can send this other side. So what we can write is, I can write sin x dx is minus of dt. I think you understood. Okay, so in this question now, sin x into dx, this whole part, sin x into dx, I will replace by minus dt. This whole part I will replace by minus dt, and remaining I will change to t. Okay, what I am doing is I am trying to convert entire question into t only. So let me see, it is 1 minus cos square x, and this part I am writing minus of dt. Minus I am writing in front. Okay, and now my entire question, it should be in t. So I will replace cos x by t. Okay, let me do that. So see here, the question will become minus of 1 minus t square dt. Understood? So this is minus of 1 minus t square into t square dt. Okay. Now because of this minus, this sign will change. T square minus 1 t square dt. I have taken this minus inside. Now multiply this. T4 minus t square dt. It's pretty simple to integrate now. So what I can do is, I can use n formula. You can mention n formula, guys. It was x raised to power n plus 1 plus c. So let me use this formula. So I will get t5 by 5, t3 by 3 plus 1. But what was my t? What my t was cos x. So let me put it back. So I will get cos 5x by 5 minus cos cube x by 3 plus 1. I'm sorry, this should be a constant c. So this is my final answer. I hope you understood what manipulation I did. This was the question. So what I did, I assumed cos x as t and kept one sign as it is. Okay. So practice it 2-3 times, guys. Let's do one more example. example 6, it says integration of sin x by sin x plus a dx. Okay, in such type of question, with time you will understand why I am doing it. I am assuming x plus a is t. This is just assumption. So can I say dx is dt? Why? Because derivative of a is 0, so dx is dt. Okay. Okay, numerator I need x. So can I write x is t minus a? Correct? So I will use everything here. Sin x I am replacing t minus a dt, and sin x plus a I am writing t. Now you remember there was a formula sin a plus b. What was the formula? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Remember this formula? So we will apply it here. Understood? This formula here to simplify it. See, you need to do a lot of trigonometric manipulation and use formula. That's all is about integration. So let me do it. So sin t minus a, if this was plus, guys, so this is plus. If in the same formula, if it is minus, then this becomes minus. That's all. So I will use minus formula. So it will be sin t cos a minus cos t sin a by sin t. Okay, dt integration. Even now I am not close to any formula. So let me split it, this with this and this with this. It is sin t cos a by sin t minus cos t sin a by sin t dt. Here sin t will cancel, here nothing will cancel. If this cancels, so I am getting cos a minus, what is cos by sin? Cos by sin is cot of t into sin a dt. In maths, remember guys, a, b, c is reserved for constants. X, y, z, t, s, they are reserved for variables. Okay, in maths, that is how we use notation. So a is a constant, so cos a will also be constant. Sin a is a constant, sin a will be constant. So cos a and sin a, remember cos a and sin a we will treat as a constant terms. Okay, like 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to integrate this now. So this, because it's a constant, so I can multiply by 1, sorry. So what is a cos a I am supposed to copy? Integration of 1 is what? Okay, here you see sin a is a constant. I will bring it out and I have to integrate this dt. Okay, understood. Now I am pretty close to my answer. This is cos a and integration of 1 is x minus sin a as it is. What is integration of cot? In the beginning I explained cot x. Integration is log of sin x plus c. So I will write that. The answer is log of sin of t plus c. Right? Integration of cot is log. Correct? But t I have to replace by what? What was t by, guys? T was x plus a. This was my assumption. So I will put it back. So my answer is x I am writing in front. X cos a minus sin a log of, it will be sin of x plus a mod plus c. So this is my answer, final answer. I hope you understood the meaning of substitution method. So what substitution we have to apply in such type of question is x plus a is t. Okay, I will come back with another example. See you guys, bye.